Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell contracts on Thinkorswim. First, navigate to the Trade tab on the platform. From there, select the All Products subtab to reveal the options chain. This chain is where you will find all available contracts for a specific underlying asset. Remember, each standard options contract controls 100 shares of the underlying stock. It is crucial to familiarize yourself with this layout before placing any trades. To buy an options contract, also known as opening a long position, first find the specific call or put option you want to trade in the options chain. Next, click on the ask price associated with that contract. This action will open an order entry window. Here, you will input the quantity of contracts you intend to buy. It is highly recommended to use a limit order to set your maximum purchase price, giving you better control over your trade execution. To open a short options position, you will sell a contract. Locate the desired contract in the options chain and click on its bid price. This action will bring up the order entry window, pre-filled for a sell order. Verify the contract details and enter the number of contracts you wish to sell. Just like buying, using a limit order is essential to ensure you receive your preferred selling price. Always double-check your order before confirming and sending it. Once your order is filled, you can manage your active positions and working orders from the Monitor tab. To close an existing long contract position, simply right-click on it in the Monitor tab and select Sell to Close. Conversely, to close a short contract position, you would choose Buy to Close. Always use limit orders when closing positions to manage your exit price and protect your profits or limit potential losses.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.